Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to rotate a text in Photoshop. So let's start the video. At first, select the text. You can just simply select it by the move tool, or you can go to the layer panels and select the text layer. Now press Ctrl+T on your Windows to activate pre-transform. Move your mouse to the corner until you see the curved rotate arrow. Then click and drag to rotate your text. Once you are happy with the angle, just press enter to apply. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.